Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enter BIOS on CHUWI UBook X. To this, first let's make sure that we have the keyboard connected, otherwise you won't be able to do it. Then when your keyboard is connected, find the escape button, which should be located usually on the left top side of your keyboard. And then we can proceed with the BIOS access. So open a start and shut down your tablet. Make sure it fully shuts down. And then when it's off, we need to press on the power button to turn it on. And while we do so, we need to keep pressing, not holding, but pressing on the escape. So let's do that. And here's our BIOS. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.